Friends, children, do you know what today is?
Father's Day.
All right.
That's right. It's Father's Day, a day we remember and thank the dads and father figures in our lives.
Yeah.
Oh, I love my dad. He used to make the best mango pancakes and always tucked me in with a bedtime story.
My dad was my hero. He taught me how to be brave when I was nervous, and he had great taste in music.
Those are beautiful memories. Sometimes Dad teaches really important lessons, but they also show us kindness, patience, and how to be brave. Dads can be wise, strong, and gentle.
And silly sometimes, like my uncle who always wore socks with bananas on them, a fashion icon.
But it's not only for fathers, right? Because I know sometimes people don't have their fathers in their lives.
Oh, that's the special thing. Father's Day isn't just for dads, it's for all the people who shaped us. Dads, grandpas, mentors, friends, and we can carry their good lessons in our hearts.
Yeah, I'm happy you said that. I miss my grandpa, but when I act kind like he did, I feel close to him.
Oh, yes, the best way to honor our loved ones is to live out what they taught us with kindness, courage, and maybe a little silliness too.
Let's all try to be a little more like them every day. Brave, kind, funny, and maybe a little banana sake.
Oh, happy Father's Day, everyone.
Happy Father's Day.
My father used to sing me a song, and when I hear it, it always reminds me of him. Can you play the song, You Are My Sunshine?
Yes, we can.
Oh, boy.
Thank you.
You don't know what this is called?
Alrighty. Do y'all know the song You Are My Sunshine? Yeah? Okay, let's sing it together then. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
All right, my young friends who aren't going to the nursery, awesome. Let's go back to our room and have a good time in chapel.